Okay, gentlemen, welcome back to another for online video tutorial series. At the end of this video, you should know how to draw a triangle in AutoCAD when giving the perimeter and the ratio of all three sides. For this triangle, the perimeter or the distance around the triangle is 130 millimeters. The sides are in the ratio of 3, 4, and 5. The first step is to change to our construction layer. And my next task is to draw a line equivalent to the length of the perimeter. In this case, it's 130. So I click here, engage orthogonal mode to get this line horizontal. Then I type 130, enter, enter twice. The next step is to divide this line to add the ratio here. This is 3, 4, and 9. This is 3, 4, and 5, which is 9, 12. So I'm going to divide this into 12 equal parts. For that, I type div, enter. I then click the line I want to divide. If you look down here, it will ask me to enter the number of segments that I want. In this case, I want 12. 1, 2, enter. And this line is now divided into 12 equal parts. You will realize, but the line seems simple. There is no evidence of division. To change that, I type DDP type or PTYPE. Enter. What that does is to bring up a point style here. And for this, currently I have a dot. A dot would not be visible on the line, so I want a little circle. And I want the size of that circle to be, let it be 3. And click this, set size to absolute. What this does, when you set the size to absolute, when you zoom in and out, at times these little nodes zoom out but doesn't return to the original shape. So when you set it absolute, once you zoom out, it returns to its original shape. So now we have these little points here. The first step is to mark off our ratio. So here we have 0, 1, 2, 3. So here is 1 point. I'm going to add up a text from here. Add up one of these from here, copy. Click this, CO, enter. And bring this across here. Deactivate orthogonal mode. So this is 1, 2, 3 right there. Here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is right here. Next one is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this should have been 3. Click 2 times. That is to edit. That is 3. 1, 2, 3 times. This is 4. 1, 2, 3. This is 5. So the ratios are 3, 4, and 5. The next step is so here the base would be between 3 and 2. 4 and 5 would be one side. 3 to this point would have been the other side. The next step is to draw a circle with base, with a circle with center here and onto this point. So we are drawing 2 arcs. Then one more circle, space bar from the other end of the base to this point. Yeah. And at the point where both arcs meet is our center. Probably the circle might be a little confusing So you could might want to trim off a little bit of it. Space bar for circle. I don't mind that stay. Click this right here. Oh, all right. I'm gonna bring this in a little bit to like that. Then I'm gonna trim. TR, enter once. Again, you don't necessarily need to trim this, but I'm gonna trim it. Enter, click here, click there, all of that gone. You don't really need to trim it, but you can trim it if you want. So the next step is to change to is to brighten up this figure, change to my outline. And I realize that node is not activated. So I should be able to click, okay, I'm able to click on the nodes, okay. So line, then I click here. Why are these nodes not? Click here, and go back there. And that is it. That is my, probably I don't think I should delete delete these. Excuse me?
Yes, sir. Where did you start the first point again, sir?
Oh, the first
That's
part. So here is 0.
Yes, sir.
Here is 0, 1, 2, 3. This is 1 point for the center. Then we count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll be another point here. So here would have been the base. So here would have been the 3. Where 3 is? 3 would have been the base. So 3 would have been the base. So here I copy, let me copy this. No, not that, sorry. Click one time, escape. Click CO for copy, enter. Base point, 1 here, 1 here, 1 there. So here would have been A, it would have been A. Let me use a different color. So here would have been A. Let's use my text. Here would have been A, B, C, escape. So this would have been, so here would have been the base. This side would have been, so this side here would have been 3, this side would have been 3. This side would have been 4. And this side would have been 5. All right. This side would have been 5. And we'll pretty much add our dimension to this. Add our dimension to this. Which is change the dimension. Change the dimension. And oh, what did I do? Change the dimension. And dimension this up. To dimension, click one more time, touch here. That goes, click. Oh, this is text. I don't want text. All right. All right, it's okay. Can always change it. Hit the space bar 2 times. Click here. And down. Hit space bar 2 times. Click this, bring that out. That is that. Now I can click here to change this. 1, 2, 3. Click here, changes to that. Escape. Might want to move this a little bit out here, like that. And this a little bit out like that. All right, so this is pretty much what that is that. But we need to finish off this by we know that we must produce this information, copy, CO, enter. We always provide information for this. Escape. So triangle ABC, click 2 times, giving the perimeter, given that perimeter, P-E-R-I-M-E-T-E-R, equals to perimeter equals to 130, 130. Ratio of sides, ratio is 3 to 4 to 5, right? So every question I have to do, you must write down the given information, you must dimension, all right? So this is pretty much how we draw a triangle ABC, given that the perimeter 130 and ratio of sides is that, all right? So that is pretty much that for that.